Larry, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate it.
It's nice to be here.
I wonder if you could give me an idea of what Walden Ventures is interested in investing?
Yeah, so Walden Venture Capital does sprout stage investing. So we invest post-technology or post-product. And it all starts with looking at a great demo. So I want to be able to see something with my own eyes that really generates visceral excitement in myself or in the target market. So we're looking to do tangible investing in tangible companies on tangible plans.
And your criteria is that passion you feel when you see it?
That's right. That's the starting point. So we just want to see that there's something that has real mass market potential based on people's reaction to it. So it means that we're not actually doing seed investing. We're allowing the angel and the seed community to develop the ideas, and when it turns into a great product or a technology and we can see they've sprouted, that's our entry point to consider investing.
And is there a particular area that you're most interested in, or are you pretty broad as far as your interest?
We invest broadly across digital media and cloud or enterprise services.
Okay.
And digital media is defined very broadly: infrastructure, services, content.
Right. And what made you become a VC? I find it a fascinating industry to be involved with and fascinating people. What was the story behind that?
I just love technology and innovation, and I love products as a user. When I was in equity research and I was taking companies public like MarketWatch or Terion or Netflix, and I was spending time with the VCs who would really help build the business, that seemed like a great spot to be.
Yeah.
And also at the time, which was in the 90s, those were actually like Series A and Series B companies that were entering into those markets. But I just have a real passion for the people, for the products, and really and building brands that can deliver to the mass market.
So we were talking earlier, and I mentioned that I've been a great proponent and supporter of female VCs and also female entrepreneurs being funded. You were saying that you were involved with a group of women.
Yes, well, I've helped recruit women into Pandora and into SoundHound and into Bandpage, all at very senior levels, but across our portfolio. We really value that deep feminine passion. And there's a new group called Rivet Ventures that's just getting going, and I've been advising them a bit as well. And that's a group of women VCs with great operating backgrounds.
Oh, all gals, geez, I'd love to meet those and interview them. I'll have to get contacts later. And so another thing I'm really interested in is all the great changes that are happening in the venture capital industry. Obviously the Jobs Act is one piece of that. And the other component that I see having come from Europe, 15 years in Dublin and London, is that venture firms are springing up all over the world now and obviously trying to replicate the Silicon Valley model. But it is exciting because it means more startups are going to be funded, and I actually run an event called Smart Money Silicon Valley, getting venture capitalists here to educate foreign investors and angels and wannabes and accelerator owners. So I see that, spreading the word and educating people about the whole investment process here is really exciting. So there's quite a bit of change going on in the industry. What's your thoughts or perceptions about that?
Sure. Well, the venture capital ecosystem has contracted dramatically from hundreds of firms to maybe 100 firms that can actually do a legitimate Series A investment. And then most of those won't actually be able to invest in a particular sector that company is interested in. So at the beginning of the market, at the angel and seed stage, there have never been more angels. It's never been easier to raise seed capital. There's probably 60,000, 70,000 angel investments done a year. There's all those seeds that are out there. Very few that can actually sprout and turn into something. Then there's that in-between mode where they're trying to really figure out what they are and get some market traction. Once they've had great market traction, there's a very established later stage venture capital community that's available. The big firms have tended to get bigger, have tended to attract more capital, have average check sizes that have gone up a lot. That in-between mode is really being broadly talked about as the Series A crunch, that first institutional capital. That's the portion of the market that we live in.
Yeah.
But we do deals in U.S.-based companies. We work within our domain areas that we've worked in for a long time.
Right. So do you think all these changes are good for the industry, or do you think there's difficulties that we're facing?
The more angel and seed investing there is, the more innovation that's occurring. So I'm a big supporter of that, and that's more opportunities for us to get involved with companies and work on building their brands, building their teams, helping them get to the next level.
So it's all positive as far as you're concerned.
Absolutely.
Fabulous. Well, thanks again for your time today.
Thank you very much. Appreciate
Lovely
that.
to meet you.